another video, guys. I'm the Magic Cardman, and today I'm going to be teaching you the Erdnase color change. So, you're going to love this, guys. You're going to love it. So we have the ace, and then if you just give a magical wave, it turns into 2 of diamonds. So how do you do it? You need 2 cards, any 2 cards, place them right on top of each other, just like this. Actually, let's flip the cards around. We have the ace, we have the 2. So what you want to do, so how do you do this? Have the ace, right? And then you have the ace, and with your palm, this part of your palm right here, you grab it, kind of push forward, and then with your index finger, kind of push and like square off the cards. So now you're in this position. Without your hand covered, should look like this. The 2's here, the ace is here, and with this part of your palm, you want to grab the 2 like this and pull off, and then your index finger, push this back, and then just put the 2 right back on top. So really slow, it should look like this when you put it all together. And really fast, it should look like this. And when performing this trick, you don't ever want to, show it like this. I'm showing you like this for the tutorial, but when performing it, you want it to look like this in slow motion. And real fast, it looks like this. Don't worry, guys, if you don't get this on your first try, it's okay. It can be really tricky. It's a really hard trick. I think it's a little bit more advanced, so it's okay. If you need to, watch the video watch the video again if you need to. Do the trick with me, and don't worry, you got this. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hit that subscribe button, turn on those notifications, and I'll see you in the next video. Boom!